This is the 2015 Cave de Ribeauville Pinot Blanc from the Alsace region of northeastern France. Alsace is one of the best climates in the world for white wine, and we found a beautiful Pinot Blanc from the oldest cooperative cellar in France. Soft apricot and citrus fruit are sort of similar to a Pinot Grigio or a Pinot Gris, which also does really well in Alsace, but this Pinot Blanc is a little bit leaner, more sinewy, and it has a really spicy floral note of, say, fennel blossom that is just so delicious. This soft fruit profile and the sort of lean character are a really approachable pairing for a lot of lighter seafood preparations and shellfish dishes. Also, a less spicy Asian style of cuisine. So consider this with Vietnamese summer rolls, with shrimp scampi or sushi and sashimi. Cheers.